I didn't think I'd ever ask this question. Can anything actually replace Google search? I mean, Google has been the internet for most of us. Need an answer? Google it. Need a product? Google it. Need to settle an argument with your friend? Google it. So, when people started saying Perplexity AI could replace Google, I honestly rolled my eyes. That sounded like classic AI hype. Then I used it for a week, and now my answer is complicated. The first thing I noticed was how different the experience feels. With Google, you search, open 10 tabs, read a bunch of articles, close half of them, and hopefully find your answer. With Perplexity AI, you ask a question and immediately get an answer with sources attached. That sounds simple, but it's actually a huge shift. I found myself spending less time searching and more time reading. For research, that was surprisingly useful. Then I started testing it with real questions. Business ideas, AI news, product comparisons, travel information, coding questions. And honestly, for a lot of these things, Perplexity was faster. Not necessarily smarter, just faster. Because it did the searching and summarizing for me. That's when I started understanding why people love this tool. But then I ran into something interesting. I still opened Google a lot because sometimes I don't want one answer. I want options, I want websites, I want forums, I want videos, I want Reddit threads. Google is still incredibly good at helping you explore the internet. Perplexity feels more like having a research assistant. Google feels more like having access to the entire library. And those are two different experiences. Now here's what nobody tells you. Perplexity changes your habits. After a few days, I noticed I was asking more questions because getting answers felt easier. I wasn't opening 20 tabs anymore. I wasn't getting distracted by ads. I wasn't jumping from website to website. That alone saved a surprising amount of time. I think business owners, freelancers, students, agencies, and startup founders are gonna love that because time matters. But can Perplexity AI completely replace Google search? Honestly, no. At least not for me. There are still too many things where traditional search works better. Shopping, local searches, discovering new websites, browsing different opinions. Google still wins there, but for research, learning, and getting direct answers quickly, Perplexity is incredibly good. In fact, there are days when I use Perplexity more than Google. I never thought I'd say that. So here's my honest conclusion. Perplexity AI isn't killing Google search, but it is changing the way people search. And honestly, that's probably a much bigger deal than most people realize. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.